Hi guys! Tech is on fire this May. Python is ruling, Microsoft's cutting, Apple's teasing, and someone ran Doom on a ruler. Let's unpack this madness. Python just grabbed the #1 spot in the TIOBE index with over 25%. That's a solid jump from the last month. It's been leading the charts for years, and it's still the favorite for everything from web dev to AI. Microsoft just laid off around 6,000 employees. That's about 3% of their workforce. Most of the cuts hit product and engineering. According to CEO Satya Nadella, it's all part of a big push to bring AI, like a pilot, into every corner of the company. AI is changing the game fast. If you're a developer, now it's time to level up and stay ahead. Microsoft is building an AI agent factory. Yep, you heard that right. Microsoft's working on something called an AI agent factory, led by a former Meta executive. The goal? Build smart AI agents using GitHub, Copilot, and Azure, moving beyond apps to full-on AI-first ecosystems. Software is changing fast. AI tools aren't just extras anymore, they're becoming the core. NVIDIA just launched the RTX 5090, and it's wild. 32 GB of super-fast memory and a new chip design called Blackwell. It's built for serious gaming, content creation, and even AI stuff. This GPU isn't just future-proof, it's basically from the future. Sony's next PS5 Pro is rumored to come with something called PSSR 2.0, a fancy AI tag that boosts graphics. We are talking 4K and 120 FPS and even 8K at 60 FPS. This AI-powered upscaling tech promises smoother, sharper, and more immersive gameplay. Consoles are leveling up with AI, making gaming not just smoother, but way more immersive. The Framework Laptop 16 is all about customization. You can swap out the GPU, keyboard, trackpad, and more. It's powered by AMD Ryzen 7040HS, so it's fast and flexible. Modular laptops are the future, better for the planet and made just for you. AMD is dropping the RX 9060 XT on the 5th of June, and it's up to 31% faster than the RX 7600 XT. It comes in 8GB and 16GB versions starting at just $300, perfect for gamers who want great performance without spending a fortune. AMD is proving you don't need to get broke to play hard. At Computex, AMD showed off the Radeon AI Pro R9700, a beast of a GPU made for AI work. It's got 32GB of memory, 128 AI accelerators, and delivers 96 teraflops of power. Yeah, it's built for some serious machine learning. AMD is not just for gamers anymore, they're diving deep into AI too. Someone got Doom running on a ruler? Yep, an engineer actually made the classic game Doom run on a plastic ruler, with a screen, battery, and tiny circuits all built in. Totally ridiculous, totally genius. Doom never dies, and the tech community never stops flexing. Leaks say the iPhone 17 Pro will pack an A19 Pro chip, 12GB of RAM, and a fresh new camera design. It might be a bit thicker, but hey, that means more battery. You might also get vapor cooling and Wi-Fi 7. Classic Apple, same sleek look, tons of upgrades under the hood. This May was wild. Python's still king, AI is taking over, and hardware keeps leveling up. The tech world is moving fast, and if you blink, you might miss it. So stay curious, keep learning, and ride the wave, because tech's world is not slowing down anytime soon.